Hello, in this video I want to show you the process of creating this marble labyrinth game which I created for the 14th Snapmaking contest and in which I won one of the lucky prizes with this game. So it's based on a very old game I own from the 80s or 90s I think, and I recreated it using Fusion, and now you will see how I did this in a very fast forward mode, but don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section below if you need any details. And of course we're gonna try it afterwards. Enjoy! So this is the game with a mounted acrylic sheet as the top. So we have here two holes. This is for putting the ball into the game, and if it drops in one of the holes, it can roll freely to this opening here and comes out here just by tilting. So if you want to glue together, it would be no problem. And here is some chambers to store the ball, of course when it's not glued together. So now I start the game. I made the original design in a 30 by 30 centimeters for 10mm steel ball. Now I use in a set that I have a 4.8mm steel ball, as I scaled it down to 50%. Just drop the ball into it, and here we go. Dropped into the game, so I just tilt it on down the left side, and the ball comes out. And here is it. I just have to tilt it this way and the ball is out again. So this was the process of creating such a game for the contest. It was based on marble and labyrinth games like this or this, which I used to play in my youth. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments below, and happy making!